How do you think when we say this person is very clever, what does it mean? Usually it means that this person knows something that we don't. Okay, some person knows a lot of facts, maybe this person even is a winner of a TV quiz, but what can he do? What tasks is he able to perform? What problems can he solve? The phrase, this person is very clever, is just an opinion. And there is knowledge of facts, which is called know that, and knowledge of how to do something, which is called know how. Now you can see that there are different levels of knowledge. The distinction between knowing how and knowing that was brought to prominence by Hilbert Ryle in his book The Concept of Mind, and today we will break down this classification in detail. So, zero level is an opinion. The opinion is a mental construct that is not directly derived from first-hand experience or learned facts. Opinions are based on one's belief or subjective impression of the issue at hand, so it's impossible to verify them, and usually opinions consider general facts and truth. Opinions are widely spread. For example, the following quote, "Hemingway is a great writer. If I have no arguments about what is he famous for, it is just an opinion, a subjective evaluation." Opinions are very easy to formulate. Usually it takes no effort at all. Somebody is good, something is bad, blue ocean strategy is a brilliant concept, mind maps technique can solve any task, and so on. But where are the arguments? No arguments, no knowledge. That's why opinions cannot be applied by professionals. Professionals need reliable techniques and reliable tools because they need to solve the problem. They always have to check the credibility of the sources. So it means that all the professionals mainly work with knowledge. The first level of knowledge is know that, descriptive knowledge, knowledge of facts and relations between them. This type of knowledge is widely spread. Indeed, almost all textbooks are sources of only descriptive knowledge. Even though it is the first level of knowledge, it could be quite difficult to develop it. For example, modern astronomy, when we are speaking about the study of black holes and quasars, and not about modern navigation systems. In this case, the knowledge about black holes and quasars is a descriptive one, but it's quite difficult to know new facts about these objects because you need difficult mathematical models to be able to formulate facts about them. Descriptive knowledge is not useless because even if you want to perform a practical task, you need to know the language of your field. The terms of your field is also a part of descriptive knowledge. So it's usually necessary for a qualified person to study it. The next level of knowledge is know how to repeat, procedural knowledge, or also applied knowledge or functional knowledge. It's an application of algorithms that are already known, an application of procedures to perform some practical task. Procedural knowledge is quite rare, even for simple topics. There are some websites devoted to procedural knowledge for everyday life issues, for instance, wikihow.com. And there you can find simple recipes for your everyday issues, like washing a cat or something. Cooking recipes are also an example of procedural knowledge, as well as procedures for solving such simple tasks as making a banner for your website or converting your Word file to PDF, etc. Procedural knowledge is not so easy to be developed. It requires a lot of practice, and practice is a big barrier for many people. The highest level of knowledge is know how to create solutions, instrumental knowledge. Instrumental knowledge is the knowledge of methods of solving new difficult problems. For instance, it may be value engineering. It is a systematic method for product value improvement by using an examination of function. Another example is a theory of the resolution of invention-related tasks, TRIZ. TRIZ is a problem-solving analysis and forecasting tool derived from the study of patterns of invention in the global patent literature. Method acting in the field of art and political campaign management technologies are also good examples of instrumental knowledge. The peculiarity of instrumental knowledge is that it helps to solve not an everyday life problem, not a single professional problem, but a whole group of them. It's the most valuable type of knowledge. If a new problem appears in the group, it can be solved by the same method. This knowledge is extremely rare because it's very hard to be developed. You need many years of hard work and testing your methods. To conclude, the principal goal of a professional is the development of the last level of knowledge, the development of instruments for solving problems. Anyone who has managed to do that has contributed to the profession as well. If you want to know more, check out the other concentrated videos on the channel and wait for the new videos. Thank you.